Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the latest Windows 11 update that is currently in testing, the April 2025 update build 22631.5116. Microsoft has just released this preview and it's packed with some interesting changes and improvements. So let's break it down in simple terms so that you can understand what's new and how it might affect your experience. So this update, labeled KB50536557, is currently available for Windows 11 version 23H2 as a non-security update. But don't worry, if you are on version 24H2, you will get these changes eventually too. Here is what's new. If you have ever struggled with tiny text in File Explorer dialogs like open, save or copy, this update is for you. Microsoft has added text scaling support for these dialogs. You can adjust the text size from the settings, accessibility under text size, and it will now apply to these windows too. A small but much needed improvement. The setting app is getting some love in this update. Microsoft is adding a new top card view to the about page. These cards highlight key hardware specs like your storage, graphic card, RAM and processor. It's a quick way to check your system details without digging through multiple menus. For commercial users, the home page now shows your account's cards, displaying all the accounts linked to your Windows 11 account. For Japanese users, the account page will now show the first name first instead of last name. A small but thoughtful change for better usability. Gamers, this one is for you. Microsoft is introducing a new gamepad layout on the on-screen keyboard. If you are using an Xbox controller, you will find it easier to navigate and type. The layout maps buttons like X, Y, left button, right button and LT to common keys like backspace, space and numbers. It's a vertical keyboard design which feels more intuitive for controller use. Love using emojis? Microsoft is testing a new emoji button in the system tray of the taskbar. You can enable it in the taskbar settings and it will either stay visible all the time or only appear when you are typing. It's a handy shortcut for quick emoji access, especially if you are a fan of expressive messaging. The task manager is getting a tweak too. The CPU usage logic has been updated to make it more consistent across all tabs. Now the CPU workload you see on one page will match the others, aligning with industry standards. If you prefer the old way, you can still enable the CPU utility column in the details tab. Other improvements includes a new filter manager function that reduces IO operations, making directory change notification faster for apps. The Noto font family has been added, improving text clarity for Chinese, Japanese and Korean languages. Also, Microsoft has removed those annoying suggested actions that pop up when you copy phone numbers or future date. There are some bug fixes. Microsoft has also squashed some of the bugs like fixed issues with Get Help troubleshooters not running in remote desktop sessions, connected APN settings for connected PCs to ensure reliable mobile data connections. Regarding printer, this update have resolved issues with printers using IHV drivers producing incorrect or unwanted text, and there are some fixes related with crashes for user with profile redirected to network VHD or VHDX drives. So if you are part of the Windows Insider program and enrolled in the release preview channel, you can download this build right now. Just head to settings under update and security. There you will find Windows Insider program and make sure you have toggle on the get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then hit check for updates. So here is my final thoughts. This update might not be groundbreaking, but it's packed with small meaningful improvements that enhance usability and fix for some long-standing issues. From better text scaling in File Explorer to a newer gamepad keyboard layout, there is something here for everyone. So if you are curious to learn more, check out the official blog post from Microsoft, link in the description, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature in this update. Are you excited about the gamepad keyboard or the new emoji button? Let's check. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.